Jenna. Today we are going to be doing the Blindfolded Slime Challenge. You can't see my face because I'm lotioning my face.
So we're making, where's our blindfolds?
I don't know. We'll get them in a minute.
Alright. We're doing the blindfold.
Okay, guys. So we got our blindfold, which are scarves.
My scarves. And while we're blindfolded, we will be. Jordan, can you mix them up? While we're
All
blindfolded.
the ingredients.
Because it's the blindfolded slime challenge. So we don't know.
Not yet. Ready? Okay, let's tie it.
I'm about to go outside.
Well, it'll be just real fast.
Yeah, we just need you.
Okay.
Alright, I tied it in. Alright, I can see right now. I'm just trying to.
I'm ready. Okay, guys.
Alright, Jordan, how many fingers do I have up?
10.
How do you know?
Mine's down right now. I didn't put it up yet. Okay.
How many fingers do you have? I would guess 7.
No, 10.
Oh, I can't even see. Alright, I can't see, Jordan. Mix them up.
Okay, go.
A lot? Yeah, like
just like put that like there, that like there.
Oh, Jesus. What's that?
Where's the bowl? Oh, wait, we don't have any mixing tools.
Can you get those? Where's the
Can you get us plastic forks? Yeah. I said plastic. I said plastic.
Don't mix our bowls, though.
Yeah, don't mix our bowls. Just mix all the ingredients, please. I can't breathe.
Hi, Jenna.
Hi.
Yeah!
Where are you? I can't see anything.
Right.
What do you want me to
Just mix them up. Like, let's say this is the glue, and then put it.
Like, mix them up, like lotion over there or something and stuff.
So because we knew where it was.
Oh, don't put it in the bowl?
No!
All right, hold on.
No, just like
Jordan.
Put some in the bowl.
Jordan!
I don't know. You gotta explain it. You didn't say mix it up.
Oh my gosh. We said mix them up. Alright,
Okay, guys.
Sorry, he didn't understand, so
He thought it meant to put the stuff in our bowl and then like mix it
So
up.
now we're just gonna blindfold.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Do you have the utensils?
Do you
There's a
get 2
fork right
forks?
Where's
You can
the
get one more. So we gotta have one for both of us.
Alright. Now mix them. And mix our bowls too.
Yeah, mix them up. Oh wait, put the lid back on the glue real fast though.
Yeah, put the lid on the glue.
Because if we touch it, it could spill over.
Alright, you ready, Jenna? I'm blindfolding myself.
Wait till he puts the cap on the glue.
Alright. Did you put the cap
Tell us
on?
when you're done.
Yeah.
You done? Okay.
No, I'm not done yet.
Oh.
Alright.
There's something in my bowl. Hang on, there's something in my... Why is there glue in my bowl?
That's...
Kylie, you switched the bowls!
No, I didn't.
Kylie, yes you did.
Oh my gosh. Kyla, you said switch
Oh,
the bowls.
yes, you did. No, like, put it, like, at least right here. Right
No, keep the bowls in front of us.
Jordan. No.
Okay, just go. Ready?
Alright, okay. We're not gonna...
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
No, I can see.
Oh.
You don't have to...
Wait, don't do it yet!
Alright. Oh my god, the stupid blindfold folder. Ah! Can you someone tie this?
Here, Kyla. Is it good? Got the wrong scarf, girl. Take it off.
Yeah, I got it.
Here, put it around your eyes there.
Oh, yeah. That's
Oh, crap. Your hair. Oh, wait, that's your shirt. Okay, good. That good?
I can't see. Alright. Did you mix them?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Set, go.
Can you move the truck? Oh, yeah.
Found the glue. Oh, shoot. Shoot.
What is that? Is that the paint? I'm trying to
Okay,
find my
Kylie,
bowl. Where's my
Down
bowl?
here.
What is that? I can't even find my bowl.
I can't reach anything.
Where's my bowl?
Oh, I had the foaming hand soap. Where's my bowl? Oh,
Oh, there's my bowl.
where's my fork? Okay, I got my fork. Ouch.
Where's the glue? Is this the glue?
I gave the glue to you, Kyle.
It
We need to put in some pumps of foaming hand soap.
Is it in there?
Okay. Oh my gosh, I think I poured a whole bunch of glue.
I feel. Oh my god, I'm.
I don't think I put any foaming hand soap in this. And I have the foaming hand soap.
Right.
Do you have it?
No.
Oh, it's right here by my foot.
Ooh, your foot. You can't.
I just took it.
Oh,
Okay, your turn. Here you go.
Alright.
That was so mixed up. Jordan.
Kyla, are you cheating?
No.
Why are you looking up?
I can feel the bowl.
See, I count it down.
I can't.
I really can't
Oh, wait.
see anything.
Kyle, all the stuff
Oh,
is
I
on your
found it.
side.
Ah!
Hand me something.
Is that you?
Ow!
That was Jenna.
Hand me something. I need some lotion.
I don't know where the. I think I remember where the lotion was. I don't know. Ah!
Why are you?
Found it.
I don't know how much glue I poured in.
Ow, my eyes hurt.
I feel like I need some more hand soap.
Where's my
Oh.
fork? Okay, got it. Oh my gosh, no.
This
Okay.
is so intense.
I'm putting in some lotion.
Can you see anything?
No, I can't. It's
Okay.
black.
Ah, Jordan.
I wish I could
ah,
see it.
Ah! What did I
Kyle,
spill?
stop yelling.
Sorry.
What did she spill?
I feel like I spilled something.
Why is mine coming together? I didn't even put any activator in it.
Where's the glow shit?
Glotion?
You almost got it.
Ah, shoot! Don't tell me.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
Oh,
what's
my gosh, somebody hand me the activator. I
I'll
want
tell
to.
you one hint. You guys need to go up more. You guys are all going down low.
I'm scared because I found the paint.
Ah!
I don't want to like.
Oh, no,
I
this is
can't.
good.
I don't want to spill the activator, and it's in a cup, and there's no lid.
I'm touching
And-
the activator right now.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I can feel the water.
Finally.
Finally! Yes. Is this the ball?
You're missing the bowl.
Oh, I found the activator! I found the activator!
What? Am I missing? Wait, you can't tell us. We have to do it by yourselves.
I'm putting some in.
I'm leaving.
Okay, bye.
Put in some activator.
All right, so Jordan's gone.
Holy crap! I'm so freaking scared.
Me too.
I think I added a lot
And
of
if you
activator
cheat,
because
it's-
it's just gonna swish
If you
me
cheat,
around.
it's not as fun.
Yeah.
I'm not cheating. I legitimately can't see anything. Alright, I knew that was the bowl because I heard it. Oh, I just got it on the floor.
Okay. Oh my god!
What?
I just touched my slime and it's all slimy.
Ooh, I like the feeling.
Where'd the activator go?
I didn't even put the activator. I was like, I didn't even put the activator. Wait, where's the activator?
Here, right here.
Thank you.
Right.
I don't even know how to act.
I think I'm gonna go in my hands now because I feel it's like really thick.
Yeah, it does feel thick. Mine feels thick.
I shouldn't go in my hands yet. I just touched
I
it
am.
first. Oh my gosh, Kyla, where's the activator? I need the
I
activator.
have it.
By the way, these trash bags are just in case we spill.
Yeah. Cause we
Here,
don't
can I have the
know.
activator now?
It's under there. I can't tell you. Gotta find it. I don't have the activator. That's my hint. Ooh, it's coming together. Wait, I didn't
I
even.
knew it was
put
by
any-
you.
I don't even put any food coloring in it. Oh shoot! I feel like it got some
Paint, you mean?
Yeah, paint. I felt something go in my pants.
We only have one color paint, so that's why we
I think it's
putting
gray,
anything
right?
in.
It was gray, right?
Yeah, it was gray.
All right.
Oh my god, there's a lot of activator in mine.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's clumps in mine.
Ew.
Oh,
Hey mom, it's the blindfolded slime challenge.
How did you know that was mom?
Cause I heard her.
You left my keys and my mail outside on the ground. So that's another thing that you're not ready for. Okay?
We just. Huh?
Kinda.
Yeah, I'm telling you what we did.
I can pretty much gather what you did. So your response should be, Mom, I'm sorry.
Mom, I'm sorry.
Okay, baby.
All right.
You're not allowed to have my keys by yourself again.
Mm-hmm. All right. So right now
Kyla.
we're
You're
going.
being disrespectful.
I know. I hear you. We're making a slime.
Oh no.
All right.
Oh, mine's really good, kind of. Not very stretchy, but I can tell it's not jiggly.
Wait, where's the glue?
Mine's not sticky at all. I'm done. Are you almost done?
No, I need to add some color.
Where are you?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm right next to you. I'm trying to put some more emotion in mine to make it a little sexy.
Uh-oh.
What the heck?
That's my phone.
Oh, you have to get up.
Okay, I'm done. I can't see anything. It's blurred.
All right, I'm still here.
Where's my phone?
I don't know.
Hello? I'm making a video with Kyla. Yeah. Okay. Oh crap. I have to go, okay? Bye. Okay, guys, sorry.
Who's that?
That was my stepmom.
Oh.
Holy crap. How's mine so good? Guys, my eyes are really blurry. Ouch.
Are you looking?
No, yeah?
Oh,
Oh my god, Kyla, yours is big.
it is. I knew the paint was over here.
It's not.
Oh, don't tell me.
Sorry.
Oh, there it is. Because I figured, is yours colored?
No. Oh my god, Kyla, you just put paint in yours?
Yeah. I just got my finger. Oh, I wonder what mine looks like.
It's gray, duh.
It can be a light gray, dark gray, duh. Jenna. Hey, oh, I'm super excited.
Mine is so good. I don't know how. Probably added like a lot of foaming hand soap. That's probably why.
Mine's stretchy, but it's not too stretchy. So I'm trying to make
Kyla, you're getting it all over your pants. You're about to get it all over your pants.
Oh, dang it.
Gosh, I would take your blindfold off.
Oh, shoot. Oh, wow.
Are your eyes blurry? Mine are too. Whenever I look at the camera, it's like really blurry.
Oh my god, my pants.
She got it all over her pants. Guys, look. Ah. Oh, crap. It was paused the whole entire time.
No.